Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Turing machine for AI Bj Ck such that I is greater than j is greater than k. Now what are the intuitions behind the design of this Turing machine? The basic objective is that number of A should be greater than number of B and C. On the other hand, number of B should always be greater than number of C. To design such a machine, the basic designing concept will be that we will start reading the tape, and when we come across first A, we will convert it into capital A. Find next B, we will convert it into capital B and search for C. When all C have been converted to capital C, that is no more C is left out, it is necessary that still we should have A and B on the tape, because the condition is that number of A and number of B should be greater than number of C. Likewise, when we have converted all small b into capital B, we should have at least one A available on the tape, since number of A should be greater than number of B. And when we identify that there is one or more A left out, we will convert those small a into capital A, and then we will reach the final state. Please remember, the most important point is that tape will start with a read of A, since the input is AI, Bj, Ck, and there will not be any A after B, or there will not be any C before B. So this is how we will start with the designing of the machine. Initially, to start with, when we come across first small a, we will convert it into capital A and move towards the right. We will start moving towards the right and we will start searching for first B. The moment we come across first B, we will convert that small b into capital B and we will move towards the right, searching for small c. On the tape, we are converting small b into capital B, and now we are searching for small c. Moment we come across small c, we will convert it into capital C and move towards the left of the tape. Moving back, we may come across small b, capital B, small a and capital A. So we will include all four combinations. If it is a capital C, it will remain as capital C. If it is a small b, it will remain as small b, capital B as capital B, and small a, and so on. And the moment we come across first capital A on the left side, we will start moving back from Q3 state to Q0 state, because we have identified the left end marker. We have added these two things here because when we are moving from left side to right side, in the first go, we did not come across capital B or capital C, but in the second go, we will come across capital B and capital C when we are moving towards the right. Once we come across capital A, we move towards Q0 state, and this will continue till the time we come across a position where we don't find any small c. When we don't come across any small c, we have moved to the end of the tape. We will move back, identifying that there is no other input left out on the tape to be converted from small c to capital C. When we start moving towards the left, we will come across capital C, but no small c, small b, capital B, small a and capital A. Now we will check for capital A, which is serving as the left end marker. The moment we come across capital A, now we need to identify that there should be at least one more B left out, since we have already completed small c. Now we want to find at least one small b. The moment we come across small b, we will convert it into capital B and we will start moving towards the left. When we start moving towards the left and we come across capital A, we will start moving towards the right, and now it is necessary that we should have at least one small a, since number of A should always be greater than number of B. Once we convert that small a into capital A, we may come across more small a, but we should not come across small c as well as small b. So this is the final layout of the machine. Now with identify the trace for this machine. The input which we are considering is a to the power 3, b to the power 2, c to the power 1. That means 3a, 2b and 1c. We start from the start state and we start moving one step ahead. On Q0 state, we come across small a, we convert it into capital A and move to Q1 state. We come across small a, no change, state remains the same. Next, we move to small a again, no change, state remains the same. The moment we come across first small b, we will convert it into capital B and now we are in Q2 state. In Q2 state, we will move towards the right to find first small c. The moment we come across first small c, we will convert it into capital C and we will move towards left. When we move towards left, we may come across small b. We will not change it. We may come across capital B. We will not change it. And likewise, we will come across small a in intermediate cells. The moment we come across capital A, this will serve as an end marker for the left side of the tape. We will not change this capital A. The capital A will remain same, but the direction of the tape will move towards right. Now we come across second small a, we convert it into capital A and move to Q1 state. From here, we will again identify what is the next input. If it is small a, need not be changed. If it is capital B, need not be changed. We come across second small b. The moment we come across second small b, we will convert it into capital B and start moving towards the right. When we move right, we come across capital C, but we don't come across any small c. Since we have no small c left out, instead we have delta, we will move from state Q2 to state Q6. In state Q6, we will not make any change in capital C or capital B and we will start moving towards left. We will keep on moving towards the left until unless we get the capital A. Moment we get capital A, we will start moving towards the right and here we should compulsorily get small a. We get small a. After getting this small a, we will find whether there is any small b still left out. Since we don't have any small b left out, we will not change it as yet, and on identifying that we are about to reach the end of the tape, we will come across delta. The moment we come across delta, it is clear that number of A which have been traversed are greater than number of B and number of B are greater than number of C. So we will move towards the final state. This is the trace of Turing machine for AI, BJ, CK such that I is greater than J, which is further greater than K for all I, J, K greater than equal to 1. Thanks for watching.